In this video, I would talk about how to fix the CVS log error that is failed to install catalog file or failed to install catalog for package. So let us see the solution. So if you see this error that is failed to install catalog for package in CVS log, then I have some steps which would help you to fix this error. So let us see the steps. I have written these commands in a notepad file, and you have to convert this notepad file in a .bat file, and just you have to run that script. These all commands are just to reset the Windows update by stopping various services like background intelligence transfer service, then Windows update service, then application identity service. So it will go through several loops and it will stop and start the services. It will clear the files and it will re-register the .dll files. I have mentioned these whole commands in the video description, so you can copy the video description and just convert that command into .bat file and reset on your server or computer. After you run the .bat file for these commands, you have to restart your server or computer and try to install the patches through DISM method. The video link for DISM method is given in the description box. Refer to that. Thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, stay tuned to my channel and subscribe it. If you have any queries or suggestions, do post your comments and I would definitely respond to that. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.